Let's learn about wild animals.
Yay!
Bengal tiger.
This is a Bengal tiger, orange and bright, with sharp claws and a powerful bite.
Black panther.
This is a black panther, sleek and black, with glowing eyes and a tail so long. Oh, oh, oh.
African lion.
This is an African lion, big and strong, with a mighty roar that echoes all day long. Oh, oh, oh.
Wolf.
This is a wolf, running in a pack with sharp senses and a howling sound. Oh, oh, oh.
Hyena.
This is a hyena, with a laugh so loud it has strong jaws and a cheeky grin. Oh, 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 oh.
Mountain lion.
This is a mountain lion, fast and sly, with muscles strong and eyes so bright. Oh, 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 oh.
Jackal.
This is a jackal, quick and smart, with a sharp nose and clever mind. This
Leopard.
is a leopard, fast and bold, with spots so beautiful and eyes so keen. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Grizzly bear.
This is a grizzly bear, big and strong, with powerful paws and a mighty bite. Oh, 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 oh.
Komodo dragon.
This is a Komodo dragon, tough and mean, with a long tail and scales so rough. Oh, 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 oh.
African elephant.
This is an African elephant, gentle and wise, with big ears and a long trunk. Oh, 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 oh.
Rhinoceros.
This is a rhinoceros, tough and large, with thick skin and a horn so